Every citizen of BTR and Assam knows that there is no peace prior to the creation of BTR. And just after the creation of BTR, now the situation is completely normal. Normalcy is prevailing now. And since 2 years, the people of BTR and Assam is enjoying every kind of peaceful activities and peaceful nature. And in these 2 years, BTC and the BTR government is trying to exploit the peaceful situation out of this BTR Accord. And today, we are proud of declaring that the BTC is a government of the people, for the people and by the people. And with this government, we are planning to expedite the development work over all BTR area and other parts of the state. And last 2 years, my department, this Industrial Commerce Department of BTR, has been successful in some personal financial assistance, giving subsidy to the individual or cooperative entrepreneurs and margin money to many interested small-scale industrialists in various sectors. And over and above this, the existing BTC government is taking up extensive policy to set up industrial units through BTIDCL, that is Bodoland Trade and Industrial Development Corporation Limited, formed on 27 June 2022 under the Companies Act of 2013 as per the order of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. The following industrial units have been taken up for setting up in BTR region within 2 years. Mini food park project at Chirang district, one Odalguri district, with the financial assistance of Government of India on 50% subsidy basis. For that, we are going to sign an MOU with an organization named Favoris Infra Private Limited for construction and other works. Through these 2 industrial units, we are expected to create employment facilities for about 1,000 unemployed youths and individuals each, along with income and revenue generation for BTR government. In these industry units, feed mills for cattle, goatry, piggery, poultry, including different types of human consumption goods will be produced. The Industry and Commerce Department of BTR government has also decided to set up bamboo technology for processing and development of bamboo industry at Gurupela in the district of Kokrajhar. In this industrial unit, we will create at least 5,000 employment to those who are unemployed through different means. Over and above this, the BTR government has also decided to set up bamboo processing and industrial development industries in all 5 districts of BTR, namely Odalguri, Tamolpur, Baksa, Chirang and Kokrajhar through the central package. There will also be one ethanol producing industry in Tamolpur district. This industry will also generate employment facilities to unemployed and revenue for BTR government. This industry will be run on PPP mode. The Industry and Commerce Department of BTC government has also planned to set up rubber processing industry in BTR area, which will help the huge number of rubber planters in getting required values of their product. This industry will also create at least 5,000 employment facilities to the unemployed youths and farmers and create a suitable revenue for BTC. Not only this, the BTR area is also potential in every sphere. So we are trying hard to establish different kinds of industries in BTR area in the next 3 years. Thank you.